Sri Radhe guys, my name is Arun Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start this train video without any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about 29th September 2024 of the day 298, and today is Sunday. So basically, in this video, I'm going to tell you that something what actually happened. But before going to the start of this video, I just really wanted to apologize to that because from the last too many days, not last too many days video, only yesterday's routine video. I was unable to shoot just because of this some reason. Basically, if I tell you that from the last too many days video, yeah, it's truth because I've not shooten. I've skipped the last too many days video, but I've already shooten all the days routine video except yesterday. So yesterday's routine video I was unable to shoot just because of this some reason. So guys, now in this video I'm going to tell you that what actually happened in my today's routine video, and after that I'll shoot the continuously day by day routine without skipping the any day. I'll try to do it. Okay, so yeah, basically guys, today I woke up at around 10:47 a.m. Okay, because last night I went for the sleep very late. This is the reason why I woke up at very late. Okay, so I don't know guys what is actually happened nowadays. I'm not sleeping at a very proper manner and something what actually happened. I don't like it, and I want to improve myself at a very proper manner, right? So yeah, so I brought my cloth. First of all, as I usually do this, first of all I brought my cloth, and after that I went to the I went to the ground floor. Okay, I went to the ground floor, and after that I have done the usual activities like means what? Usual activities means like I have I have washed my mouth, and after that I have taken the bath, and after that I washed first after taking the bath. After that I wore my clothes, and after that I worship at a very proper manner, right? So after doing the all the kinds of things, after doing the all the kinds of things, so I came first floor. Again I went to the ground floor, and after that I ate food. After that I ate food, and throughout the whole day I know I've not done too much thing throughout the whole day. Basically, this is the thing what actually happened today. And after that I came first floor, and I was trying to study but not study. I was trying to study but not study. Yeah, guys. Basically, this is the thing what actually happened, right? So at the time of evening, right, at the time of evening I ate food. Okay, I came first floor, and I'm trying to study, and I've talked to my sister something about this. I've talked to my sister something about this, and basically she was guiding me something about that. Basically, we have sit here, and she was guiding me something about the career related something, and I was listening to her carefully, and yeah, we have talked sometime. And after that I went for the sleep so that I can woke up at the morning very soon. Okay, so basically I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what actually happened in my today's routine video. Basically guys, in throughout the whole day, sorry, in throughout the whole video, in this video, if I told you today means 29th September 2024 of the day 298, Sunday. So basically guys, this is the thing what actually happened today. I hope you have really understand this video. If you have really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because when you like some videos, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos at a very continuously manner. And one thing I also wanted to request you, that if you found any kind of mistakes, like any when I speak, like any may when I'm trying to make the sentence in English language, when I'm trying to make English sentence, then if you have found any kind of grammatical mistakes or English error mistake, so you can you please tell me in the comment section, right? Then I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me, and that you are trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills, right? So yeah guys, I think that this is the all the things what actually happened in my today's routine video. Now we are going to learn the 5 vocabulary as I do, right? So our first word is pond. Pond means guys तालाब. uh, क्या तुम कभी तालाब पर नहाए हो? Have you ever taken the bath to the pond, right? So our second word is hut. Hut means guys झोपड़ी. क्या तुम कभी गांव गांव गए हो? अगर गांव गए हो तो क्या तुमने कभी झोपड़ी देखा है? Have you visited any? Have you visited village? If you have visited, then have you saw the hut, right? So yeah, our third word is कुआं. कुआं means guys well, right? So क्या तुमने कभी कुआं देखा है? Have you ever saw well? अगर तुमने देखा है तो क्या तुमने उसमें से पानी की निकाला है? If you have saw the well, then you brought the water from there. अगर तुमने पानी निकाला भी है तो क्या तुमने कभी पानी वो पिया है? If you ever brought the water from the well, then have you drank it? अगर तुमने उस पानी को पिया है तो तुमने क्या उस पानी से नहाया है? If you have drunk that water, then have you taken the bath from that water? Guys, the example is like something going to the 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1 is going, right? So yeah. So this is the we have our fourth word is bullock cart. Bullock cart, right? So it is बैलगाड़ी. So wait guys. So yeah, we call बैलगाड़ी bullock cart या bullock cart. Why I'm using yeah basically is in guys Hindi language word. So I want to improve my English speaking skills in English language. Yeah. So bullock cart. So let me tell you the first spelling. BULLOCK. Block CART cart. So I'm gonna tell you this bullock cart, right? Sorry, bullock cart, not cart, right? CART. That's why I'm telling this cart. Bullock cart. क्या तुमने कभी बैलगाड़ी देखा है? Have you ever saw bullock cart? Our last but not least word is milkman. Milkman means guys दूध वाला. क्या तुम किसी दूध वाले को जानते हो? Do you know any milkman? So basically guys, this is the all the words what we have done today. Let's revise again. Pond means तालाब, hut means झोपड़ी, well means कुआं, bullock cart means बैलगाड़ी, milkman means दूध वाला. So basically guys, this is the all the 5 words what we have done today. So in today's video what we have done, let's summarize it. First I have told you my routine, right? And after that we have discussed the vocabulary, right? So basically this is the all the things what we have done today, but my average video is period and minimum 10 minutes, so I have to talk at least minimum 10 minutes, right? So we have completed 8 minutes 2 seconds, so I have to talk. So let's see the topic, to which topic I'm going to talk. So yeah guys, we have completed day 298 today. In the next, that means 299 day routine video, I'll do some announcement that I'm going to do something, and the announcement is going to be impact basically from the last like like from the last 4 months I'm doing something. From the last 4 months, included this month, included 1 day, I'm taking 1 day is remaining. From the last 4 months I'm doing something, 1 day is remaining, I'm doing something, but I'm gonna to do some announcement so that it will cure something, and you will get to know that in tomorrow's routine video. And I know that it will be very good because I'm doing something bad according to me. So basically in case of study, the announcement will gonna to be the in case of study I'm doing bad. I'm just doing something, learning, not utilizing, right? So I hope I have given you some hint. So yeah, in next day's routine video you will get to know everything about that, what's the announcement and what will I do. So yeah guys, so basically this is all the things what we have done today, and I hope you have really enjoyed this video. And if you also wanted to learn English speaking skills, then you can watch my videos so that your listening practice also happen. So I think guys we have done today, and I think that guys, it is enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you. Bye bye.